Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake decorating icing, updated. Start by creaming room temperature butter until smooth, then gradually mix in sifted powdered sugar. Add a splash of vanilla and a little milk to reach desired consistency. Test on a plate and adjust thickness by chilling or adding milk. Keep spatula handy to smooth edges and clean tips between colors for crisp decorations. Choose high-quality butter and sifted powdered sugar for a silky texture, and measure by weight when possible for consistency. Use a stand mixer or a sturdy hand mixer to whip air into the buttercream, then add liquid slowly to control thickness. Prepare separate bowls for each color and label them so you don't mix shades. Keep extra pastry bags on hand to swap tips quickly without losing momentum while decorating. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: while you pipe and perfect rosettes, keep the Owala water bottle nearby to stay hydrated without messy spills or interruptions. It's leak-proof and easy to sip between cupcakes. Look in the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering pressure and angle will transform your piping quickly, so practice steady squeezes on parchment paper first. Work with a medium round or star tip for classic swirls, keeping your wrist steady while you move the bag. If the icing is too stiff, add a teaspoon of milk. If too soft, chill briefly. Clean the tip between colors and rotate the cupcake for symmetrical designs without smudging or gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.